people, today we are going to connect our website with Google Tag Manager. So let's do it. Simply go on your Google Chrome browser, then go for the Google Tag Manager and click the first result, Google Tag Manager. Okay, then let it open. Trust me guys, don't be scared from the Google Tag Manager. It's really very easy. So let it open. Then here it is, create account. Just simply select that one, and the account setup, like he is asking for the account name. I'll just select Google, like a Digital Global is my company name. On the country, I'll just select India. Where is my India? Let it, okay, it is here, India. And for that, take, like, you should click that one, because we need like a detailed result from the Google Tag Manager. So I prefer to select that one. So you must click that one, otherwise it's up to you. And the container setup, I can give any name. So I'm going to give the same name, Digital Global India. Okay, so I want that Google Tag Manager for a website. So just select website and then create. Simply we are on that dashboard. I agree and then yes. It's loading. I'm so sorry, actually my internet is not good, so that's why it's a problem. Okay, here we are on the Google Tag Manager dashboard. So let's get that code. Simply you just click that one here, GTM something like that. So here just click that one and you will get the code. So here that code you should put on the header, and that code you should put on the footer. So we'll just copy that code simply and go on our website, Digital Global India /WP admin. My website is in WordPress, so I'll just directly paste that code. Okay, I'll log in. Okay, then simply I'll go on the appearance section. Okay, then theme file editor. Okay, I'm so sorry for my internet guys. Okay, I understand. And just search for the header.php file. Where is it? Header.php. Okay, that one is here. Okay, just select that one, header.php, and then that code we copy, just put on the header section. So simply header tag is here. So before the header section finish, just paste that header code, and for the body section just simply just click. Where is the body section? That body is here. Okay, simply just paste that code and boom, solve. Simply we can see the file editing is successfully, and here you just connect your account with Google Tag Manager. So I hope that video is useful for you. So thank you so much and Jai Hind.